Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. Let me shut that door. I am back with an unboxing, so I am super excited. Let me get everything ready. This is from Country Craft Creations, and I will list that below. It's countrycraftcreations.com. So, I have another order in the other room. So, and I have two here I'm going to film today. So, we're going to hang in there. Alright, so I have this for my husband for his birthday. I'm going to be making a junk journal for him. So, I'm super excited. Y'all come back. We're going to do that one together. Okay, so that goes in a special spot over here. Even though I've been working and cleaning this room up and out and emptying boxes and everything else, it's just a spot in the pond right now. So I'm trying to do my best here. Alright, so I picked up some of these. These are just the simple stories. I love this. This is Summer Farmhouse. I love all this. I think it's really pretty. And I think I'm going to make something for my, these colors remind me of my daughter-in-law. So I think I'm going to make her something with this, but I'm not sure yet. I'm still hemming and hawing. I'm not sure. But I love this. I think this one is darling. And I didn't show you the stickers. There's the stickers on that one. I love that red truck. That's what we had, two of them. And then here's the stickers on the G45, Graphic 45 farmhouse. So I love those. Those are going to be actual projects that will happen soon. And then here I bought two of them. That's how much I love this one. So, whoops, sorry guys. Sorry, I've been on the phone with family that has exciting stuff going on. And so that alarm was going off the whole time. And I forgot about it. And then as soon as I pulled everything out to start sharing with y'all, there you go. So, alright, hold on one second. I'm going to put that up there and try to slowly pull all this out. Ugh. So, alright. Let me get rid of that. All that rattle. Let me see, I'll just stick it over there. So, whoops, sorry. Doggone, I'm sorry guys. I keep trying not to do that and I have done it nonstop today. So, well, let's just do this first. I did pick up the Simple Story, the snap cards or the journaling cards. I think they're charming. I think they're gorgeous. And it was a really good buy. And there's 72 of them. So, I picked that up to go with that. And then I'm going to dig down here. And I got Life on the Farm. And I got this one. I also got the other G45 ephemera that goes with that paper kit. So, I love that. The one thing I don't like, and I'm going to be honest, these are not my colors. I know Graphic 45 uses this color combination very often. I don't think of these colors when I think of farms. I think of bright colors like that other paper. So I think that's what I was thinking, is that I might incorporate some of that in this. But we'll see. I mean, you know, you have to be really careful. This is very vintage. That is not. So anyways, but I love that. I mean, I love the theme of it, of course. And then I also picked up some of the extra because I thought these would be pretty colors that would kind of could bring in and introduce, because there's some of that rust, and of course you have the black, and then, but we also grow a lot on our property, so I thought this would be fun. And aren't those pretty? So this is the Fruit and Flora, and I thought this would be perfect to add to that. So I gotta get busy. So here is more of that summer farmhouse, and this is Simple Stories. This is their ephemera as well as the journaling cards. I think these are so cute. So I have two of those, and then let me see, and then this one is the different one. They only had one of these, so I picked up one of the journaling bits, and I thought these were great. So they have journaling, either ephemera or cards for each one, and then I also have ephemera for both. So yes, I know I'm going to be busy. I also picked up these because I think these are so cute, and I'm going to throw these over in my bag for my granddaughter and the extra goodies for my grandchildren as they come. And whether I use it for this granddaughter, I'll use it for at least one other. So anyways, I love this. And of course, you know, I had to have the lamb. So these are so sweet. These are by Echo Park, and I just think they're precious. So I'm going to put that over there. All right, now, last but not least, I have never seen a handwriting paper stencil. I love this. So that came immediately in the cart. That's by Cartabella. It goes with the school days, and I do have some of that paper line. So that is going to be fun with. I also picked up, in the midst of all this chaos, I do have fine scissors. But you ever notice when you're the mom and all of a sudden your scissors are just gone and nobody knows where they are? And then you find them outside and they're stuck in a bucket and they're all messed up. That's my life, my friends. So I have another of these cutter bees. These are great for all the fine cutting. So I grabbed a pair. I'm just going to stick them here and I'm done with that. That takes care of that. I just was tired of hunting and hunting and hunting, and I was afraid of where I might find them. So you guys always say you want to see the paper, so here we go. Here is more of the farm graphic 45. Bless this farm. I love that. And then here is this side. And then here is the other side. So I love all these. And our daughter and son-in-law, they're looking at setting up a homestead. So they're going to have pigs, so I'm going to save all that for them. And I have this. And that is not why I bought it, because I bought it for this. I love this side. This is my favorite. So I love that. And then these are, I just adore this. The cut-aparts. I love this. Blessed. Life is better on the porch. You know, all of this, I think it is, you know, life on the farm, fresh air and sunshine, hard to beat. And then look at the strip at the bottom. Isn't that cute? Can you see all that? Oh, so those are my, and then all the chicken and all that. So then here is this one. Oh, it's the same one, sorry. So I got 3 of those. And then I love this. Whoops, again, I'm sorry, guys. I keep adjusting, moving this up, trying to not, but my tripod it's dying. It's time for a new tripod. So I love the chicken wire, because, you know, we have chickens, and I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Loved it so much, I purchased 3. And then I purchased these nice the strips. You could cut those apart. You could cut these apart. You can put them together. I just love this. So, and then I loved it so much, I purchased 2. This is the back side of that. So, all right, that's all gorgeous. Now, look what I got in addition to the summer farmhouse. So, I love this. I love this. I love it. My daddy loved watermelon. He loved watermelon. He loved watermelon so much, I ordered 3 different seed packages. Actually, no, pardon me. 5 different melon packages today, watermelon. So, I love that. Reminds me of my daddy. Of course, I love the pink. So, and then I love the cut-aparts. I think these are so sweet. Aren't those sweet? Lemonade. Summer's sweeter with you. Life is amazingly good. Simple pleasures. Summer. Squeeze the day. Backyard BBQ. Hello, summer. So, and then I love this one. I think that is so sweet. All the words for summer. It's just so, so darling. And then I loved the other side cut apart so much. I got 2. That's a total of 3. So this is my favorite. That's just that is exactly the first red truck my husband and I had together. He literally painted it in the garage with spray paint from Walmart. It was in such bad condition. And it made it look 10 times better. It was crazy. I love this side. I think that is so beautiful. And look what comes on the other side. Look at that. And look at the branding strip on that. But all these cute, darling journaling cards. And then I love this because it's gingham. And I have a lot of these. So, and then here is the other side. Don't you love that? I love it. And then I have this, which is by Authentique, and it's Voyage 3 paper, and it is all like the sandpipers and the sea cranes and all of that. And on the other side of that one, it is this gorgeous, you know, beachy washed or beach worn wood, and it says, "The days pass happily with me forever, my ship wherever my ship sails." Joshua Slocum. So, anyways. And then, let me see. Okay, then here's my last part. So, I don't know if you guys know, but I call my granddaughter Bunny. And I just do. She hops like a bunny now. It's funny. I was calling her Bunny before she did that. And she's just as precious and wonderful as you think she is. And this is supposed to be Easter. It's by Authentique. It is April hath put a spirit of youth in everything, William Shakespeare. And the collection is Cottontail. But I love this because it has bunnies. Now, I also love the colors here. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I will do something with it for her. And I love all the carrots. And then the pink gingham totally makes my day. Now, this, so I have an extra one of those, and this one I adore. This, she is such, I can't tell you the whole story behind bunnies, but there is a very interesting story about her behind bunnies. And so, that's why I call her Bunny, because it was just a fun story. If someday you guys want to hear, let me know, send me a message, I'll share it with you guys. But I absolutely love this. It's pink, it just looks girly to me, and I made the decision that every child will have, they'll all have nicknames, because that's who I am. And so I've been making my list. I've got Chicky, I've got Ducky, I've got, I've got them all. Lammy, I've got them all. And so, but Bunny is so beautiful, and look at the other side. I love that. So, I definitely think I can find a good reason to use that paper. Alright, then you've got this, which is the Darling Eggs, but it could be Path, it could be anything. And then you've got the chocolate bunnies with Easter eggs on the other side. And then finally, this is for my daughter-in-law. I'm going to make her and my son, they have our grand puppy, and Miss Ella. And so I've gotten some of the other Authentique, purebred, where it's cats and dogs. And our son is highly allergic to cats, but I know our daughter-in-law likes cats. So I love this. I just got some complimentary extra paper to go with some that I already had. And I just thought, it just makes it so nice. Oh, wait a minute. That one got in the wrong place. Hold on, guys. Here's the rest of that. Authentique Cottontail. Oh, goodness gracious, it got away from me. Sorry. And then here's the other side of that. I love that side. Okay, now we'll go back to this one. I think that's pretty, just like the fur of any animal. It could be cat or dog. And then this is the other side of that with all the kind of the border type art. You can cut that apart however you want to use it. And then I picked up this one. It has little dog prints and just little shapes. And then I love that. I think that's really pretty. And then I love that plaid. This is, again, purebred by Authentique. And I love that. And then here's the kitty cats. And here's the dogs. So, super, super, super cute. Now, I've got a few more things in here. So I picked up some chipboard, nothing fancy, white, craft, and black. And it's always good to have chipboard. And I also picked up, ow, that was really loud, a new score pal. I have 2 score devices that I cannot find. I'm telling you right now, I'm saying it as exasperated as I can. I cannot find them. Hold on, let me put this over here. I have looked everywhere. I don't know. I had wonderful helpers, and it probably just got put in the wrong place. And this was a very good deal, so I picked it up, and I just thought, as I work on my 12 by 12 pages, I have a smaller scoreboard, which I love, and I think it's just one of those Martha Stewart's, but this one, this was the one that was around forever, it felt like in the beginning, outside of Martha Stewart. So, that's that. It comes with its own scoring tool, and we're good to go. I like this one because of the color. The white ones just always seem dirty and grungy to me because I always get them dirty and grungy. But for me, this one works really, 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 really well, and I'm happy with that. So, that is that. This is my second haul from countrycraftcreations.com. They also have a YouTube channel, and I encourage you to go over and take a look at their goodies. They are really good about sharing their projects, what they are doing with their different materials, and they make beautiful projects. Graphic 45 does it too, but I think at this point they have a little bit more variety in what they offer, so you get a larger option as far as projects. So anyways, again, it's countrycraftcreations.com. Go see them. All right, tell them I sent you, okay? Let's see. First off, thank you for being here. I love that you're here. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. There will be a part 3 that will come up and a part 4. I think that's it. I think part 4 is it. It's not them, it's us. We get our mail every 2 weeks. So they ship very quickly. If I could get to the post office on a regular basis, I would have them quicker. So, anyways, hold on one sec. I'm going to take a sip of my iced tea. They have beautiful, beautiful offerings and supplies, and I encourage you to go see what they have. All right, friends, come on back. I'm going to be working on those 2 projects this month. I'm super excited. I can't wait. I've got another one coming that I'm going to work on for my youngest for her birthday at the end of the month. So, end of the summer. I've got one in the middle of the summer and the end of the summer. So, and I had one at the beginning of the summer. So, and he didn't get anything handmade. Let me think, did he? No, I don't think he did. But he did get some family special things, so that was fine. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Let me say that again. I really do pray for each of y'all, and I pray that your day is blessed, and it is very creative, and it is so beautifully lovely. And I love you guys. Thanks for being here. God loves you. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.